Hooray, spring is coming and all of the changes are starting to happen. And in that story, Rabbit wasn't happy about the changes, but his friends were pretty happy about it. Rabbit talked about all the things that he was going to miss about the snow, but his friends were reminding him what was coming with the new season. So at the end, they all had a drink of the melted snow, a nice cup of water, and I think Rabbit was happy that spring was on its way. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the signs of spring. And what we're going to need is a pair of binoculars, okay? Now we're going to make our own binoculars. So if you notice about this pair, here's the line of symmetry. So it's the same on both sides. There's also a string that you can put around your neck so you can walk without carrying them, and then they're handy when you need them. Okay, so I have a few things here, different ideas of how you can make your very own set of binoculars. And what I'm using is all of the things that I found in the recycling bin. So first we'll start, I have 2 toilet paper holders, or you can cut a paper towel holder in half or in 3s to make your binoculars. So what we're going to do is we're going to make them first, and then you can decide how, if you want to paint them or if you want to cover them, it's up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some painter's tape. In case we decide to paint them, we can paint right over this tape. Pretty awesome. So I'm going to take my 2 toilet paper rolls. I'm going to put tape inside one and then inside the other, so it's nice and secure. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. Can you think of some signs of spring that you'll be looking for? Oh, so exciting. Yeah, you might want to put a couple pieces in there, but there you go, nice and secure. Now, I have my little hole punch here. So I'm going to put a hole punch on each side. And then I'm going to use, you can use yarn. I have some curling ribbon here or some twine. So there's lots of options. Maybe I'll use some nice pink yarn. I won't lose these. So all you do is you put it through the hole, tie it on one side and tie it on the other. Easy peasy. So you can paint these, color them, whatever you decide. Let's see if they fit. Oh, they do. Oh, I can see something. Oh, I see a flower. Oh, there's a sign of spring. Maybe you'll see some insects. Bzzz. Or maybe you'll even hear some birds chirping in the trees. I don't know. There's going to be lots of signs out there. So there's one set of binoculars. Let's see. What else do I have? Oh, I have this egg carton here. So what I did is I cut it apart and I cut into this part here and made 2 little eye holes. Now this is a bit stiff for you to cut, so you might need a friend to help, or teacher to help, mom or dad. And there you go. I have another set of binoculars. So same thing, you just put the hole punch in each side, put your string on, and away you go. Okay, there's another set of binoculars. And you can get how many sets out of an egg carton? Depends how big your egg carton is. And then I also found a little box. So I was thinking, if I cut the edges off of this, I think it'll work. Look at that. I think it'll work. Same thing. Put your holes in there. Hole punch There we go. Put your string on there, paint it, and there you go. So there's 3 different ways that you can make binoculars.